Hi everybody, my name is Rita and I'm an ASO specialist and mobile app marketer. Today I'm gonna tell you how to find out the downloads of competitors. It is important to evaluate the revenue and downloads of apps in your niche to determine your own strategy for achieving financial success. Go to the market section, the download subsection. At the top of the page, select the app you're interested in and the time period. You can add any app from the Google Play or the App Store, so you don't need access. I advise you to choose a popular competitor in order to target the best apps in your niche. At the top right of the page, you'll see a summary of downloads of the current month and the 3 previous ones. Below, information about the app for the chosen period is displayed in the form of a graph and a table below. The graph displays the countries that you are selected in the table below and are marked with a tick. The table below shows the country and app downloads for the selected period. Next, you'll see what percentage of the total application downloads is occupied by this location, and a mini graph for a quick access to dynamics for the last months. You can choose Months tab to check downloads by months to find out the best season for your category. The chart shows you the dynamics of downloads by months. Click here to download information to an XLS file. I hope the video was really useful for you. It really helps to get insights from competitors and choose a profitable strategy. You can find the link to the ASOMobile in the description. Follow our channel, it will help you to stay updated and aware of the latest mobile application news and cool ASO tools.